Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter one-time boot menu on GIGABYTE G7. First of all, your laptop has to be shut down in order to be able to do it, and once that's done, you need to plug in the device you want to boot from. So if it's an external device, then plug it in. And now turn on your laptop with the power key. And after the light on the power key lights up, start immediately and repeatedly pressing on the F12 key. Now you are in the setup menu. In the one-time boot menu, you can simply select an option you want to boot from, then click on enter. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.